In this tutorial, I will show you that how can recover deleted photos, posts and videos on Facebook. So let's dive right in. After opening Facebook, you will be on this home page. Then you have to come to menu by just clicking this profile picture. It will open up like this. From this menu, if you scroll it down, you'll find here this settings and privacy. You can open settings from here and scroll it down until you find this your information. You can also see here option download your information. Click on that in order to recover deleted posts, photos, videos on Facebook. After opening this, you can scroll it down. Here you can see that these all options like messages, notes, Facebook gaming. You can select that you want to recover. I am selecting this, and after selecting it, if you scroll it down, here you'll find this create file. Click on that. It will take you to this page of available copies, and after a while it will start downloading your information. If I drag this notification bar, you can see here the files you requested are ready to download. You can simply click here and download it. So that's how you can recover deleted posts, photos, videos on Facebook in just few easy steps.